Today we are going to experience the automatic battery change of New York cars. 换一次电池多少钱？
免费的，
免费，
终身免费的。
哦，
以前是终身免费不限次数，现在买的车是每个月限6次。大概就是我们现在的轿车为了一次性。
NIO is a Chinese smart electric vehicle brand, which was established in November 2014. Its main models include NIO EC6, ESA, ES6, EP9, EVE, and so on. The process of changing battery is actually very simple. The first step is to make an appointment for the replacement service on NIO apps. Or place an order directly within 2 kilometers from the battery replace station. The second step is to drive the car into the designated parking space of the battery replace station. The third step is to start the battery replace function with one tap on the display of your car. The fourth step is to enter inside the special area for replacing the battery. The second generation of the station includes auto drive function that make the car to drive into the special area. While for the first generation station, the car must be driving inside manually by yourself or with the help of the station staff. The fifth step is wait for the vehicle to self-test to ensure safety. After the process of replacing the battery is done, the driver can leave the station normally. From the time you drive the vehicle into the designated parking space in front of the battery replace station, the whole process only takes about 6 minutes. And there is no need to get out of the car, and even parking is fully automated. At the same time, compared with the first generation power station, the capacity of the second generation power station has increased by 30 kVA. The number of batteries has also been upgraded from 5 to 13. The maximum number of battery replacements in a day can reach 312 times. And the overall exchange efficiency can be said to be more than 100%. At present, NIO's battery replacement service has covered 31 provinces and 194 prefecture level cities across China. 59.4% of NIO users live overall, which is within 3 kilometers from the NIO power station. As of April 30th, the number of NIO battery replacement stations has reached 913. To learn more about high-tech innovation in China, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos.